Hello children.
Now let us learn about some common errors that we make while multiplying. See 403 into 4. Now when we are multiplying 403 into 4, what is the first step children? Multiplying the ones. Yes, 4 threes are becomes 12. What will we do? We'll write 2 here and 1 will be carried. Now when coming to the next step, that is multiplying the tens, sometimes by mistake we tend to multiply 4 and 1. Okay, we say 4 ones are 4 and then we add the one that is being carried. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Yes, what did we write here? 5. See, the mistake in this problem is 4 multiplied by 0 is 0 and not 4. What we'll understand that 4 zeros are, we need to remember carefully that 4 zeros are 0 but not 4 zeros are is not equal to 4. Okay, 4 zeros are 0. So what happens while we are multiplying? By mistake we do this error. Instead of writing 0, we think that 4 zeros are 4 and then 1 is carried, so we'll add 1 to it. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. And lastly 4 fours are 16. Now this is our wrong multiplication. This is an error we have made. What is an error? It is a mistake that we have made. Now what is the correct way to multiply? 403 into 4. 4 threes are 12. 1 carried. 4 zeros are 0. Remember children, 4 zeros are 0. Okay, 4 zeros are 0 plus 1 that is being carried. 0 plus 1 becomes 1. And then lastly 4 fours are 16. So 1612 is the correct product but not 1652. Understood this common error children? So this is the mistake that is done by most students while multiplying a digit by 0. So be careful while multiplying with 0. Now moving on to multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now what are we going to learn? Multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. First let us learn how to multiply without regrouping. Without regrouping means there is no need of borrowing here. Example, the capacity, no carry forward of numbers takes place. Example, the capacity of a water tank is 1200 liters. How many liters of water is required by a colony if it needs 3 such tanks? Are you able to see the water tank here children? What is its capacity? 1200 liters. By capacity what do we mean? This water can store 1200 liters of water in it. So this 1200 liters becomes its capacity. Now, how many liters of water is required by a colony if it needs 3 such tanks? Now we have a colony which requires 3 of such water cans. Okay, 3 such water cans. Now what do we know about this water can? That its capacity is 1200 liters. Now we should find out how many liters of water is required by a colony. Yes, so the capacity, how many? 3 into the capacity of each water can. The capacity of water in 3 such tanks is equal to 1200 into 3. Yes, in one tank there can be 1200 liters of water, but as the colony is using how many? 3 water tanks. So what we'll do? We'll multiply. Yes, we'll multiply 3 with 1200. How to multiply children? 1200 into 3. First step 1 will be to multiply the ones. Yes, 0 is in the ones place. 3 zeros are 0. Yes children, remember 3 zeros are 0 but not 3. Okay, we are done with the step 1. Moving to step 2. Multiply the tens. Now what do we have in the tens place? Again 0. 3 zeros are 0 again. Yes, now next moving on to step 3. That is multiplying the hundreds. 3 twos are how much children? 3 twos are 6. So writing 6 here in the hundreds place. And lastly, the fourth step becomes what? Multiplying the thousands. Now 1 is in thousands place. 3 ones are 3. So what is this? The product is 3600.